Khudiram Bose was one of the youngest daring independence revolutionaries of the country, who attained martyrdom at the age of 19. The British were shaken by the courage and boldness of Khudiram in challenging their authority. In 1908, Khudiram Bose had begun his struggle to end British rule in Muzaffarpur. Though Khudiram Bose was born in 1889 in Midnapore, West Bengal, it was Muzaffarpur that became the battleground for him against British imperialism. Bose jumped into freedom struggle during the agitation against the division of Bengal province in 1905, and later on 28th February 1906, he was arrested for the first time. Bose somehow managed to escape from the clutches of the British administration. Bose instilled courage among revolutionaries fighting the British Raj with his fearlessness. He was so brave and courageous that even after hearing the order of his hanging, Bose started laughing after the order was read, which confused the judge. The judge could not stop himself and asked whether Bose understood the judgment or not, since it was also his death sentence. Bose's reply at that moment stunned the judge. Bose calmly said, "Yes, I do, and my lawyer said that I was too young to make bombs. If you allow me some time before I am taken away from here, I can teach you the skills of making bombs too."
क्रांतिकारियों में एक उल्लास, एक उत्साह और शीघ्र आज़ादी प्राप्त करने का जो तेज जज्बा खड़ा हुआ, उसी का परिणाम है कि हमें 1947 में स्वतंत्रता की प्राप्ति हुई.
From Muzaffarpur, Khudiram Bose shook the powerful British Raj. His artifacts are still preserved at the place where he was martyred. However, due to the negligence of the government and district administration, some of it have been lost or destroyed. To teach a lesson to the British judge Douglas Kingsford, who gave severe punishments to the patriots involved in the freedom movement, on 30 April 1908, Khudiram, along with his partner Prafulla Chaki, threw a bomb on a carriage that he suspected was carrying Kingsford. But it turned out that it was carrying the wife and daughter of a barrister named Pringle Kennedy. Khudiram Bose became a target of the British rule, which followed him closely. Khudiram was arrested from Pusa station in Samastipur while Prafulla Chaki and his associates were killed in a police encounter in Mokama. Khudiram Bose was hanged on 11 August 1908 at the age of just 19 in the central jail of Muzaffarpur.
हमारे भीतर वो कालबोध पैदा होता है, हम इतिहास से परिचित होते हैं, हम शौर्य से परिचित होते हैं. हम आज भी अपने भीतर तिलक के इस आर्ष वाक्य को सहेज लेना चाहते हैं. स्वाधीनता हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और इसके लिए अपने तथाकथित बड़े स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के स्मारक स्थल पर सार्वजनिकता के साथ जाने की जरूरत है और वहां जाकर आदमी चार्ज हो जाता है. खुदीराम बोस का फांसी स्थल, खुदीराम बोस का वह यातना कक्ष जिसमें उन्हें रखा गया था, उसे निश्चित रूप से पूजा घर की तरह उसे सबके लिए खोल देना चाहिए. मुक्त
The prison cell where this great revolutionary was put in is preserved even today at Muzaffarpur. The central prison of Muzaffarpur is named after him as the Shaheed Khudiram Bose Central Prison.
के अपने पीर सपूत के उस जगह को देखे जहां से उन्होंने एक संदेश दिया था विश्व को कि भारत का हर बच्चा स्वतंत्रता के लिए संघर्ष करने के लिए, भारत माता की रक्षा करने के लिए अब खड़ा हो चुका है. अंग्रेजी हुकूमत तुमको जितना फांसी देना है तुम फांसी दो, भारत का हर बच्चा फांसी को के फंदे को गले से लगाने के लिए, चूमने के लिए तैयार है.
The memories of Khudiram Bose are still alive among the people of Muzaffarpur. The fact that Khudiram Bose was hanged at the age of 19 made him one of the youngest freedom fighters in India. An ETV Bharat report.